I know the feeling of someone standing in the open air under the rain and there's no house around to go shelter. I know the feeling of being thirsty for days without drinking water. I'm still alive, and it's an honor to help others.
In Haiti, thousands of people are feared dead.
The earthquake has led to a new set of challenges for Haitians.
The situation is super critical. Logistics are difficult to achieve, and aid is slow to reach many of the places.
À cause terre souke tout ka écrasé, donc côté pour yo ta lâcher de l'eau, yo obligé, yo pas ka jouer de l'eau pour yo boire. Donc dans ce sens yo vraiment a souffrir.
We were able to rapidly respond.
We're producing the water and getting it to the boats that are taking it to the places it's needed most.
Jeudi là, nous là pour nous recevoir des camions de l'eau que GivePower fait nos cadeaux, fait donc pour tout staff capable d'utiliser et communauté.
Everybody downrange is really happy that they're getting this water.
Our solar water farm in Laganab was able to withstand the earthquake. We build our systems to last a long time, whether it's high winds or seismic activity.
Solar water farm is a sustainable way to provide clean water for people who need it. You can desalinate water with solar power 24/7. You would think would be impossible, but GivePower has figured out a way to make that work.
We are able to make up to 75,000 liters of water per day to provide to those people in need.
The one thing that stands out to me from a local Haitian community is there's a general spirit of rising up and helping each other, whether it's the sailboat owners offer their boats to deliver the water or the people helping transport the water. They know people need it. A lot of them have families that have been affected, and so there's a personal connection to the suffering.
What happened in Lake Haiti, a lot of houses collapsed, and this is the same thing happened to my own house. And I feel like I lost everything in just a few seconds. But I am super excited, I'm beyond happy because I can actually find a way to help others.
In this disaster effort, there's a lot of suffering, but also a lot of beauty in the people coming together to help those that need it most. And I'm just honored to be part of that.
GivePower, I feel like they are mobilizing the whole world. This is how we can have a better future.